What you can see in these countries is the immense love that they have for green, because they have invested hundreds of millions in water tubes, in pumps, irrigation systems. No government in the world is doing this. So for me, that's a sign, a very positive sign. If they are willing to spend so much to make their country green, that I'm sure that once they find that there are possibilities to plant even many more trees without spilling this water, they are for sure going to do this. We have that technology. Now it's on me to get there and to inspire them doing this.
Investing in innovation and research is key to facing the challenge of our times.
Groasis من هولندا.
What I really worry about, and I think it worries me even more than climate change, is what's going to be our water situation in the next 40 years for my grandchildren. Because if we go on like this, with the, you would say, the innocence of the people in the cities who have no idea what's happening outside the cities, suddenly they will be confronted in 20 or 30 years, we have no water anymore. And that's a terrible thought. Over the last 1,000 years, humanity has destroyed 2 billion hectares of land. I'm not talking about deserts, I'm talking about man-made deserts. And we've always cut and cut and cut, but we've never planted, because we always thought there's more than enough. And now people say, let's go to Mars. Well, what I say is, let's replant the world together. If you plant one tree with drip irrigation, we can plant 7,500 trees with the same quantity of water. My dream is to reforest the world. I think that we can do it because with this cheap technology, it is not expensive to reach that.